Hey you guys, welcome to this edition of Mike Reed Outdoors. Welcome to the Forge. God bless you, thanks for watching. In this video, you guys, I've got a broken prospector's pick right here. An old broken miner's pick. A little old bitty pick. The end of it comes out there, guys, about 5.5 inches. Well, somebody has broke this pick right here because it's only 4 inches long. It looks like they forged on it before. And they may have made this into some type of a specialty pick. Instead of it having 2 sharp ends on it, they may have wanted it to have a wider end on it. What I'm going to try to do is try to forge it back to its original shape and then temper it that way. So guys, looks like what they've done is cut part of this pick off. So there's really not enough metal there to draw it out to the length that I want it to. Alright you guys, I forgot to show you in that other video I done how to run the colors without sticking it in an oven or something like that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to run the colors, the tempering color, guys, after this has been hardened. I'm going to run that back to about a purple color. But you can see I've got a piece of steel laying right up here on top of my forge. And that piece of steel will carry that heat up into the pick, and then the colors will run, and when it gets right to the right place, I will again quench that thing. So that's what I'm doing right there. Take a piece of heavy iron, stick it right up on top of your forge, and then lay your piece up on top of it. That way you don't have to stick it right straight down in the forge. Guys, I don't know if I've said that in any of my videos, but if you try to add a piece of steel to a working, like a pick or something like that, say it's too short, and you add a piece of steel to it, you'd have to have pretty much the exact same kind of metal, you guys, before you could actually come up with the same strength for your steel. So I generally, I've tried that, it don't really work really good. So if I wanted to, I could just cut that off to the length that the shorter one is now, but I'm not going to do that. That will make a really nice flea market item right there. And it's almost getting ready to run the colors right now. Sorry guys, you won't be able to see the colors running in this dark forge right here. It's really hard to see it. Coming out the way it's supposed to be. Right there it goes to purple right now. You see, that's not smoking because that thing is not hot like it was when I was forging it. Now we'll just let it sit right there and cool off. in the poach, in the oil. Alright guys, once again, thanks for watching this video. Have yourself a great day.